Hey everyone, welcome to Chai and Faith. This is Laura, and today I am going to be planning in my Happy Planner in the vertical layout. I am planning the week of March 30th to April 5th. Oh! If you don't know me yet, I love spring and I love warmer weather and it makes me happy. And so I'm really excited that it's April. And I guess, you know what? Month has kind of been a rough month. I mean, I feel like 2020 needed a reboot, but, you know, we've had viruses going around and just people being crazy. And I don't know, I'm just ready for change. So, I don't know if any of you else, wow, sorry. My English is not quite where it needs to be today, apparently. So yeah. I'm adding some fun washi tape. It says make today amazing because I don't know about the rest of you, but sometimes I need those reminders to do my best to make today amazing, to give lots of grace to everyone, to bring joy to myself, to others, and just let the love of Jesus overflow. So we waste a little washi tape just to make that make today amazing slightly centered perfectly. Just kidding, it's not. But you know, that's what we need, and so that's what I'm using. So I'm not afraid to use my stuff because I feel like that's super important in all of this. Okay, so I'm gonna move the video a little faster if you're wondering, whoa, did that all sudden get fast? I was just like, yeah. Anyways, so I thought I'd kind of do just a fun, colorful theme this week, a little bit of rainbow. And I loved that sticker, supporting someone's success will never lessen your own. And like, I believe that there's like plenty of fish or room in the sea. Anyways, and then good things take time and then get it done. Can you see my theme? It's coming along, that whole rainbow kind of theme. This sticker, man, I don't know if I like this sticker or not. I kind of wanted to use it. But it's definitely bright, and for the life of me, you'd think I'd remember to lay things and cut things right, but nope, I didn't. So I'm taking that top sticker off and trimming it down because I wanted it to fit better in that box, with the washi tape and whatnot. So it's better than it was, but I am the queen of, crooked stickers, apparently. So, you know, it takes me 2-3 times, it seems like. And then I thought I'd try to add in one of the orange ones to hopefully complement the green over there. I don't know, just trying, you guys. I was just trying to go with the whole rainbow theme. I loved the red Make It Shine sticker, adding in some of those circle. I don't know where I got them. They're a Happy Planner sticker, I'm pretty sure. But the blues and the pinks, just trying to add in those fun colors and I don't know, making things pretty. And then see, I'm moving the sticker again, because it will fit in that box because I trimmed it too small. But I was trying to use those strips. I haven't had a good, like, I don't know, ability to use them and use them well yet. So I thought I'd try it this way. So this is kind of my catch-all planner, but I try not to over stickerify it, but because I want to be able to use it. But I definitely like to add some fun to it, and it definitely doesn't get overfilled. So I have the ability to do that. So yeah, keeping it kind of simple, but just trying to add in those red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. See, I finally found some orange stickers, and just having a good time. I don't know. It's just kind of a fun layout, I guess, or a fun spread. And yeah, I like it. So I don't know. If you like this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, would you please hit that red subscribe button? I'd love to have you back again. And I'd love to see you and hang out. It's fun to do, and it's fun to hang out and see what other people are doing. So have a very blessed day, and we will see you again very soon.